on, boys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a different style of content today. Today, even though I haven't done a review on this yet, I'm going to. I'm buying parts for my 2019 Ram Rebel 1500. So if you're not familiar with this truck, I'll do a much deeper dive into it, even though, to be honest, I'm not an expert at all on this truck. I kind of bought it on a whim. But I do know the Rebel comes with a 1-inch suspension lift over normal factory Ram 1500, so it sits a little higher, and it has bigger tires, 33s, which I want 35s, but patience. So one of the things that happens when you have a girlfriend slash fiance slash soon to be wife that is under 5 foot, she can't really get in this thing. So I'm gonna make my way to the Dodge dealership today. I found a set of running boards that I want. They're cheaper sets, but I really like, especially with things like this, I like keeping all the parts factory if possible. So I found a really nice set that I like. I'm gonna run up to snag them from the dealership, and then I'm going to put them on. From what I've seen, it really shouldn't be too hard. And I don't have to jack this up, so I'm beyond excited to work on this. So I'm gonna run to the Dodge dealership, pick these things up, and hopefully do a little install video on this. That's it. I'll see you guys in a minute. Alright, back from getting the running boards. Now the question is, can I fit the Ram into the garage? I don't think so. No, I don't think so. We're gonna try. I'd prefer to work on a flat surface. Alright, got the truck in here. Sweet. Now, let's get this box opened up. Where'd it go? It's over there somewhere. Alright, so the running boards I ended up going with are part number 8221-5508AB. And if you look on, I believe, the Ram website or the Mopar accessory website, these are what they have termed as the off-road running boards. And it's cool because they're factory, which I wanted to stick with, but they have like this, it's almost the same coating that they use for the spray-on bed liner. And if you've used off-road, or if you've used running boards before, you'll know sometimes if you step on them when they're wet or something like that, they can get slippery. So these are sweet because they're not going to have that, and they'll match the trim that is on the Rebel Edition, which I haven't really shown you yet. I will do a review on this truck, I promise. I just really wanted to get this taken care of. So let's unbox this, let's read the directions and figure out where to go. It should be a pretty easy install, but let me look at some directions. Looks like all we need is, alright, we need a ratcheting wrench, a 10mm socket, 13mm socket, and a torque wrench. And we have 6 brackets here. We have some bolts and some nuts. And then we have the steps themselves. So I'm assuming on the underside of the truck, I'm assuming we'll use the brackets, mount it up to that, and then mount that up to the brackets. So I guess let's get under there, see what it's like. So, see those right there? This bracket, there's that one, goes in like that, and then the board will just sit right there. So just gotta go through and put those on. That'll be easy. Alright, so this was probably one of the easiest things I've ever done to a car. So literally, those brackets just mount to the backside of the chassis, and then you mount the running board just to the platform that it creates out there. It's 3 bolts that mount to the or 3 nuts that screw into studs on the chassis, and then 4 bolts going up to hold the running board in place, and it's Literally that easy. I'm gonna go knock out the other side. It'll take 10 minutes. I mean, that was about as easy of an install as you can ask for. And they look great. They look really good. So, that's gonna do it for the running board install on the 2019 Ram Rebel 1500. Again, I know I need to give you guys a tour of this. I haven't, I just got it. I've literally put like 50 miles on it. I went to get these and that was majority of the miles that I put on this. So, God, these retainers. So if you're new to the channel, smash that subscribe button. I got a lot of cool stuff coming. I'm gonna be taking this off-road here in Texas. I have my E36, which is getting the motor swap done to it right now. The Zionsville radiator just showed up. I have a piece of the exhaust system that just showed up. There's gonna be a ton going on, so smash that subscribe button, guys. You don't wanna miss it, and I will see you next video. Peace.